What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Your sales funnel is losing you money right now and you probably do not even know where it's happening. It is not because your offer is bad, it is not because your ads are not working, it's usually just one step in your funnel that is quietly breaking everything. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools like Cloud or Anti-Gravity to automatically find that weak point and fix it before it costs you more money. This is not about checking dashboards for hours, and it's definitely not about guessing. This is about having an AI that tells you exactly what is broken and what to fix. Here's how most funnels actually work. So you have a landing page, then a form, and maybe an email sequence, and finally a checkout page. On the surface, everything looks fine, but the results do not match your expectations. So you open your analytics and start looking at the numbers, and then you try to figure out what is going wrong, but you're not really getting clear answers. The reality is that you're looking at data, but you're not getting insights. And that is where problems in your funnel can go unnoticed for days or even weeks. So what I'd like you to note here is funnels rarely fail completely. They usually fail at specific points. The other point I'd like you to note is that one weak step can reduce the performance of everything that comes after it. Instead of trying to figure out everything out yourself, you can let an AI agent do the analysis for you. So with tools like Cloud or Anti-Gravity, you can send your funnel data and get clear answers. The AI can tell you where the users are dropping off, what has changed, and what is likely causing the issue. This removes guesswork completely and replaces it with clear, actionable insights. So imagine waking up in the morning, opening Slack or your email, and seeing a message similar to this one. Your checkout page drop-off increased by 22% yesterday, and the likely cause is so many fails. So getting a summarized analysis of your funnel automatically to your inbox or to your Slack channel is way better than walking in the dark and not knowing how your sales funnel is performing. So that is all you need to see. You don't have to dig through dashboards or try to interpret confusing metrics. So the system itself is very powerful. So you collect data and add it to a database, for example, in your table, and then you send the data to an AI agent, and then the agent analyzes the sales funnel data and then sends back the insights to the database and sends you a notification with a summary of the analysis. So you can think of it as a simple flow. Data goes in, insights come out, and you take the action. Step one, we're going to start by tracking the funnel. So to track the funnel in a simple and structured way, you can use your table for this. So here you can choose to show the step name, number of visitors, number of conversions, conversion rate, and the drop-off rate. You do not need anything more complex than that. So in your table, I've created a base that I've renamed to Funnel Optimization Engine. In this base, I've created a table where we're adding the funnel data right here. So here are the steps. For example, product detail, email verify, sign up form, homepage, add to cart, checkout success, landing page, and the pricing page. So these are the steps in our funnel. And then here the funnel name, date, visitors, conversions, step order, and the previous conversion rates. But we do not know the current conversion rate, drop-off rate, and the change. So we can store these data to a database similar to this one. Then our agent is going to proceed to calculate for us the current conversion rate, drop-off rate, and the change right here. After it has calculated the conversion rate, drop-off rate, and the change rate, it's going to store the insights in this table right here. So we're going to add the date, funnel name. Also going to add the weak step right here, issue summary, likely cause, recommendation, the severity. So here's where we're going to add our insights right here, and we're going to summarize these insights and send ourselves the notification either via Slack or email. And then we're also going to log in the alerts to this table that I've renamed to alert log right here. So after we've collected this data, so now we have our data right here, assuming that we've collected it from an actual sales funnel. Step two will be to send the data to an AI agent. And after sending the data to the AI agent, the agent will begin analyzing the data. It looks for steps where users are dropping off the most, and it compares current performance with past data. It also identifies anything unusual or unexpected. This is essentially the same work a data analyst will do, but it happens instantly. Then after analyzing the data, in step 3, step 4, the agent is going to generate the insights. Key difference is in the output. So you do not just get numbers, you get explanations. For example, so the AI agent might tell you that your checkout page has a 45% drop-off rate, which is significantly higher than last week. The likely cause is friction in the payment process. This kind of insight allows you to take immediate action. And the last step will be sending the alerts. So finally, those insights are sent directly to you. So for example, if you have a funnel with 3 steps, a landing page, a form, and a checkout page, at first glance, everything might appear normal. However, when the AI agent analyzes the data, it highlights a problem in the form step. The drop-off rate is significantly higher than expected. The AI agent then explains that the likely cause is too many required fields in the form. These are small issue, but it has a major impact. It reduces the number of users who move forward, which affects the entire funnel. And without any kind of analysis, it will take much longer to identify the root cause of the high drop-off rate. To calculate the current conversion rate, drop-off rate, and the change from this data from our landing page, and to log in the insights to our base right here and send ourselves a notification email of the AI analysis, we can use an AI agency like Cloud or Anti-Gravity. So in Anti-Gravity, I've already created a connection between my AI table and the agent right here. So it has access to our tables right here. So we can tell the agent, analyze the final steps table from your table, then calculate the conversion rate, drop-off rate, and the change for each step. Then proceed to identify the single most critical weak point based on the highest drop-off or negative change. Then determine its severity and clearly define the issue, likely cause, and recommended fix. Then create a new record in the AI Insights table with all the results. Then proceed to create a new record in alert log table with a short alert message and status set to sent. And finally, send an email notification with the funnel name, weak step, severity, issue, cause, and recommended fix without returning any response. So basically, the agent is going to analyze our data right here, calculate the conversion rate, drop-off rate, and the change, and then generate the insights after it has analyzed the weak points. And then we're going to log in the insights right here. We're going to log in the funnel name, weak step, issue summary, likely cause, recommendation, and the severity. And then it's going to send ourselves an email notification. And then log in the alerts log right here that the notification has been sent to us. So those are the tasks that the AI agent will perform. So for Anti-Gravity to proceed and perform the tasks, I'll hit send right here. You can see it's generating. Let's give it a minute or two for it to complete executing the tasks for us. So here you can see it successfully performed our action. So did a full analysis, calculated our performance metrics, and successfully dispatched notification alert right here. So here is the email notification that it just sent us right here. So we generated this email a few minutes ago. So you can see the post analysis action. So the funnel data has been updated. All the AI insights has been logged in and the alert log has been recorded. It also proceeded to send us the email notification. Then on the left, you can see the notification that it sent us. right here at this time. So it sent this notification 6 minutes ago. Subject line of the email is on the lines of funnel optimization notification, critical bottleneck in income checkout. You can see the funnel name, the weak step, it was add to cart, the severity was high. The issue was conversion at the add to cart stage has declined to 20%, a 5% drop from the 22% baseline. Likely cause is unclear shipping costs on the product detail page and technical lag on the mobile site. Recommended fix is it's recommending us to implement a sticky add to cart button for mobile and move shipping estimations to the previous step to reduce last second friction. This is incredible. So now when we open our base, here you can see it updated the conversion rate, drop off rate, and the change rates. Which step right here. Then on the AI insights, you can see it logged in the date, funnel name, the weak step, issue summary, likely cause, right here, recommendation, the severity. Then on the last log here, you can see it successfully sent us these alerts. It successfully sent us these email notification right here. This is incredible. Now, instead of having to manually calculate the conversion rate, drop-off rate, and the change, and then get the insights on each step, then generate the issue encountered on the step, likely cause, and the recommendation, we can use an AI agent like anti-gravity to perform the tasks for us. Agent like anti-gravity or cloud proceeds to calculate the conversion rate, drop-off rate, the change, then analyzes the funnel at each step, analyzing what is causing a low conversion rate at each step of the funnel, a high drop-off rate, then provides the issue summary, likely cause, and recommendation, then proceeds to log in the data to our table in our base over here, then sends us an alert message with a summary, as you can see over here with these email notification. So you can see the subject line of the email, here's the funnel name, the weak step is at cart, here's the severity, the issue encountered in this step, likely cause, and the recommended fix. So all these you'll have had to hire somebody or do it manually, but right now, just by using these AI agent, it's calculating the conversion rate, drop-off rate, and the change, and then analyzing the data to issues resulting to a low conversion rate, high drop-off rate at each step, and then logging in the issue, likely cause, and the recommendation on how to solve the issue to a base right here in your table. And then lastly, it sends us a notification via email or Slack, as you can see over here. Now, this approach completely changes how you optimize funnel. You are no longer guessing or spending hours trying to interpret data. You are receiving clear, actionable insights that tell you exactly what needs to be fixed. The system runs continuously in the background, so you can respond to problems as soon as they appear. So if you would like to take it a step further, you can make the system more advanced. You can compare performance over time, detect trends, and even automate certain decisions. With more advanced agents, you can move from simply identifying problems to continuously improving your funnel. If you want to build this system yourself, I can walk you through everything step by step. I can show you the table structure, the AI prompts, and the full automation setup. Just let me know and I will break it down for you. But if you need help setting up this system, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help you set up this simple system for your business or your agency. But if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.